Hi there, students. Physician, heal thyself. Okay, thyself, yourself. So this is saying, doctor, cure yourself. This is a very ancient idiom or a proverb that means, don't tell other people about their faults, or don't attempt to correct others until you're sure you're not guilty of the same faults yourself. Yeah, so physician, heal thyself. It's very good a doctor telling you what you should do, but maybe the doctor should first do that for himself. So don't be angry with someone for a fault or a problem that you have yourself. Yeah. Um, so he's always saying that I spend far too much money, but he himself spends far too much money. He's even worse at managing his money than I am. So, physician, heal thyself. Yeah. Make sure you're not trying to tell somebody what to do or give them advice when you have the same problem yourself. Yeah, attend to your own defects before presuming to advise others. We have another proverb like this as well. People who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones. Yeah, so don't throw stones if you live in a house of glass, because you could break your own house. Or this is like the phrase as well, the pot calling the kettle black. So I don't know. Yeah, very often it annoys me, British people saying, yes, but he's a foreigner and his English isn't very good. And this from a person who speaks 0 foreign languages. That's the pot calling the kettle black. Yeah, this is a case of physician, heal thyself. Okay. Let's see. As to origin, it comes from an ancient Greek proverb. And apparently this proverb also appears in the Bible, but the proverb itself is much earlier than the Bible. So it's been around for a couple of thousand years. Yeah, people are always very fond of telling people what they should do when they can't do it themselves. Reminds me of a mother shouting at her daughter. I remember this very clearly. Don't effing swear. Yeah, I thought, oh, well, a case of the pot calling the kettle black. Yeah. So, physician, heal thyself. I think this formality with this thyself, it sounds a little bit old fashioned. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I guess you could use it in an informal conversation, semi-formal or conversation definitely, or something very, very formal if you want. So there you go. Physician, heal thyself. If you don't speak foreign languages, don't presume to tell other people that they should speak foreign languages. Yeah, sort out your own problems first. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Physician, heal thyself.